managed to come to the smallest village in Eastern Europe. Only 7 people live here. Come with me.
You are sure they can't run? This is him. She's so happy, jumping everywhere. Wow.
Look, my hamster.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Дайте сбриса. Дайте сбриса. Yeah, white one. Нога моя. She loves. Мене скоро угризалка цънга мазила. No. She's run. No. Yeah. She's. I'm here. Hello.
Cute. Everybody's mad. Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cute.
This is Savka.
What is
And
the
this-
name?
Sava. Sava.
Sam.
And this her. No. She not her. He. He is fat. 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 And two. Fat and Matt. Fat. Come. Yeah. Yeah, big. I'm big. Oh! Hey! She don't loves come. She don't love come. Oh, one second. Oh. Come, Lucky, come. Come. Дай на жаличка.
She can't contain the joy. She's jumping all over me. Actually, she's grown up. This is not a puppy. This is the grown-up size for this type of dog. And she's jovial. There was 2 of them, but another one was male. And it was better that we take the male away, so the male was given out. Back inside the house, this one had taken my thread and just playing with it all over around. Yeah, it's not easy, but I love it. So you have known all my pets. Until the next video, subscribe. Bye.